Hello guys, welcome to this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe, comment, like and share. Welcome to this great video. I think this video is very great. And focus on this video. Focus on the charts and first test in the demo account. Look at this pattern. This is pattern, back pattern. Yes, pattern, return price, back price. Yes, have a big and green candle and have a fat line and have a red candle. This is pattern on the local resistance. Yes, end of the candles is a stop loss. This is a stop loss. Next candle, next red candle, active strategy and open position. This point. Active strategy and I open position. Yes. Profit is the same size. Back pattern. Yes. This point is first TP or 1 TP. First TP this point. Next profit is next local support. This point. This point is next profit. Second profit. Next support is 3 profits. This point is 3 profits. This point, look at here. Continue. This is a stop loss. End of the candle is a stop loss. Next pattern, open position and active strategy. Profit is the same size. Back pattern, active strategy. This candle, active strategy. Continue. Next candle. Yes, I get first profit, 1 profit. Yes, look at here. Okay, first profit. Okay, 2 profit and okay, 3 profit. Yes, back pattern, star pattern, and I get 3 profits. Very good. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Write your opinion about this video. I recommend watch this video again and again. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.